What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all having an awesome day. So before I start my video, let me inform you that I won't be able to reply your text on any updates tomorrow, as I'll be flying to Turkey for a little vacation, but everything is going to be same. Once I have my internet, once I reach my destination, everything will be normal. Anyway, it's weekend. As you know, I don't upload videos on Fridays, but just in case, if you send me a message and if I won't reply you, then I might not have an internet service. I'll be trading actively as well, and I'll be sending trade alerts if I have condition. I'll be sending reports, and everything is going to be usual once I get my internet back at my destination. So a quick update here on net gas, gold and crude oil, starting with natural gas. Nice one. As you can see, the price did hit our 1618 retracement right here. A very powerful retracement and a resistance as well. This 161 retracement, if you are new, also act as a level of resistance, and I always expect some pullback from here, and as you can see, we did get a nice pullback here. Now we are in a very nice uptrend since here, and price is now making new highs, breaking above the previous high, new high, breaking above the previous high, and use the previous high as supports, as you can see right here. So I'm still expecting a continuation towards upside, and I was about to send a trade alert right here, a valid condition but not a valid condition. As you can see, the candle opened above the previous candle, not fully engulfing the previous red candle. That is why not a valid entry. So still bullish. I'll still wait for a condition. I never enter my trades without a condition. So let's say price push down again, form a bullish engulfer, which is very likely. I'm expecting a pullback entry very soon here within this area. We can still expect a retest of 20 EMA and price can shoot up again, or 50 EMA, the price can shoot up again. So keep an eye here. Still taking longs. If you are managing your trade, then this is your area to exit your trades, as this is a recent level of support that has been broken and will now likely act as resistance. From here we will look for our bearish engulfers, or we will look for our double top entry pattern or pin bars possibly. So keep an eye here. The zone above is, in case you missed it, 3.002 goes up to 3.203, from where we'll be only looking to enter our sell trades. Similar condition, I'm still waiting for a price to give us some pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, a valid engulfer. Once we have that, we are good to go long. It is not a valid pullback entry, in case you are wondering, not a valid pullback entry according to my rules. Right here on Awanda, as you can see, the price making new highs and in a nice uptrend. So at this point, just waiting for a valid condition, valid pullback entry. I'm expecting it very soon with a pullback of few red candles followed by a bullish engulfer. Once we have that, we are gonna go long until when? Until price hit this next level of trend continuation resistance, which is 2.971, goes up to 3.225 here on Awanda, from where we are going to enter our sell trade with one of the entry conditions. Let's check gold. Okay, awesome. So as mentioned in my yesterday's video, gold is pushing up above 50 EMA and still bullish. So like I always say, my strategies work for all the time frames. The difference is the ATR. If you trade on lower time frame, the ATR will be smaller and the targets will be smaller as well. So I personally trade on 4-hour and 1-hour time frame, and as you can see from here, we had a nice swing low engulfer. That was one of the entry condition, a valid condition, and price has hit your target. The ATR of this candle is 3, and as you can see, the price did pushed up more than $3. It did not hit your stop loss but pushed your take profit first. So valid condition here on 1-hour time frame. So keep on looking your entries on 1-hour and 4-hour if you are trading any other commodity. So at this point, I'm still expecting gold to push up, just waiting for the price to break above this high. Once that happens, we have a very likely chance that gold will hit 1852, from where we will enter our sell trade with one of the entry conditions you learn. This is the minor resistance. That is why I'm paying attention to this area. Once the price hit this zone, we can expect some pullback before the price can push up again. Let's check crude oil. Right here, crude oil is also pushing up again. Just to let you know, not a valid entry condition, but it is overall bullish. Price is likely to push up, followed by some pullback. It will keep on pushing up. We have a minor resistance right here, as you can see. This is a minor resistance. Once the price hit this zone, we can expect some pullback. That pullback will be enough to hit your targets before the price will push up and hit the next level of resistance, major resistance, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. So that is it for commodities, guys. If you have any questions, any confusions, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.